How to delete an account in Google Analytics. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser and then in here tap on this menu icon. After that, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this Google Analytics option. After that, it will automatically open our account. If it did not automatically open your account, all you need to do is to simply log into your account. Once log in, go here on this Go to Stream Setup, and then after that, it will automatically open the menu. In here, what we need to do is to go under Account Settings, tap on this Account option, and then tap on this Account Details option. After that, it will automatically show us the details or informations of our account. So to remove or delete an account, all we need to do is go on the right part of the screen and then tap on this Move to Bin option. After that, before deleting your account, make sure you have read those instructions here, and then once you're done, simply tap on this Bin Account option to completely remove or delete an account in Google Analytics. So that's how easy we can delete an account in Google Analytics. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!